Hello friends, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. So here we are discussing previous year questions of JEE Advance. So the next question in our series is right here. Again a very interesting question from electrostatics. Let us read what it says. 6 charges are placed around a regular hexagon. These are 6 charges that are placed around this regular hexagon of side length A. Each side is of length A. 5 of them have charge Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have charge Q. The remaining one had charge X. This one had charge X. Okay. The perpendicular from each charge to the nearest hexagon side. This perpendicular from each charge to nearest hexagon side passes through the center. This is your center. This perpendicular passes through the center of the hexagon and is bisected by the side. This is bisected by, if let us say this is point Q, so OP is bisected by this side. Here let's say this is point C. So OC is equal to PC. Fine. Now which of the following are correct? Here given values of X and it is asked electric field at O. Here at the center O. Electric field, potential at O, again potential at O. So we know electric field due to a point charge is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is the magnitude of electric field due to point charge Q by R square at a point that is at the distance of R, that is for this point charge it is OP. R is equal to OP. Similarly, potential V is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Everyone knows this. So everyone knows these two formula for electric field and potential. Now we have the value of Q that is given here. But what will be the value of R? That is the distance of the point where electric field or potential we have to find from the point charge Q. So this we have to find value of OP. So see, we know any hexagon, interior angle of any hexagon is 120. This is 120 and this is by symmetry bisected by center of the hexagon. This, so this will be equal to this. So this will be 60 and this will also be 60 degree. Similarly, this is also 60 degree by symmetry. Now if this is 60, this is 60, this is 90, so what will be the value of this angle? This will be 30. I hope you got it. Let us see this triangle OC any R, OCR angle COR will be 30 degree. Angle COR will be 30 degree. So value, and again see, this is a regular hexagon with side A. This is A, and this is 60. This is 60. So this will also be 60. Now let us say this is point S. So let us now consider triangle ORS. So if this is 60, this is 60, then this will also be 60, and this will become an equilateral triangle. So this will also be A, this will also be A, and RS, that will also be A. So from here we got OR is equal to A, OR is equal to RS is equal to OS, and R will be equal to A. Now see, if this is A, now in triangle ORC, if this is A and this angle is 30 degree COR, so what will be the value of CO? CO will be equal to OR cos 30 degree, and what is the value of OR? That is A cos 30 degree. So if this distance is D, let us see, CO is equal to D, then D will be equal to A root 3 by 2. Got it? And what is the, we have to find the value of R, that is distance OP. OP will be just double of OC. So R will be equal to OP, that will be 2 times this 2D, that is A root 3. So this is the value of R that we have to find. Good. This is equation number 1. So now let us discuss all the statements one by one. Statement A, what it say? If x is equal to q, so if this x is equal to q, then what will be the electric field at point O? See, by symmetry this will become 0. How? This is point O. See, this q at point P will, electric field due to this EP will be equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Similarly, electric field due to this, say any point M, so this charge q will be just opposite but same magnitude. E due to point charge at M will also be 1/4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Same magnitude but opposite direction. This is vertically downward and this is vertically upward in our this figure. So they will cancel out and will become nullify one another, with this resultant will become 0. Now similar is the case for this point charge and this point charge. They will also equate one another. Similarly, this will nullify this one. They are same magnitude and opposite direction. Like this, they will also cancel out. Similarly, this and this, they will also same magnitude, opposite direction. R will cancel out and the resultant will, E will become 0 when x is equal to q. So statement A is correct. E will be 0 here. Fine. Now what is the statement B? When x is equal to minus q. So now x is equal to minus q. What will happen? See again, this will cancel out this will cancel out this, but this time this EM will be due to minus q, negative charge, it will act in same direction with EP, EM. They both have same magnitude and same direction. Like here, this is vertically downward. So they will be added. This is 1/4 by epsilon naught q by r square. Magnitude same, but at the same time direction is also same. So now this will become our figure will become like this. This will nullify this. This will also equate this. So they will disappear from this. Only we are left with this and this. This is acting electric field due to point charge at P will be vertically downward. Similarly, electric field due to point charge at M due to its minus sign, this will be negative. So this will act in same direction. So this will add by this. Resultant E will be equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught q plus q 2q by r square. So 1/4 pi epsilon naught 2q. What is the value of r? 3a square. This will become 2. So q upon 6 pi epsilon naught a square. Here it is given q upon 6 pi epsilon naught a square. So this is also correct. So both A and B are correct. Now let us examine statement C. If x is equal to 2q, then potential. Okay. If x is equal to 2q, then what will be the potential? C. Potential is a scalar quantity. So, and all the charges are positive. So it simply will be added on 1/4 pi epsilon naught into q by r. Due to this, V1 will be same magnitude and positive charge again positive charge. So these 5 will be added one by one. This will become 1/4 pi epsilon naught into 5 times. We will be same at this point due to these 5 charges. So this will become 5 times q by r plus what will be the potential at O due to this point charge at M. This will be 1/4 pi epsilon naught again, and q, value of q is given 2q. Distance r is again same that r this. So this will become 1/4 pi epsilon naught 7q by r. We can directly add this as a positive charge. 1 2 3 4 5 5q plus 2q 7q, and directly can put at here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 7q by r. Now write the value of r. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 7q by root 3 a. So this will become 7q by 4 root 3 pi epsilon naught a. 7q by 4 root 3 pi epsilon naught a. Statement C is also correct. Now let us examine statement D. When x is equal to minus 3q. Now see, here it is x is equal to minus 3q. So again, potential due to these 5 will be again 5 times q. V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r 5 times. So 5q by r. But this is a negative charge, so the potential due to this will also be negative. So this will be subtracted in place of addition, and the potential due to point charge at M at point O will be 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught 3q by r, and it will be minus negative. So 1 upon 4 by epsilon naught 5 minus 3 2q by r. Here you can directly put the value of q is equal to 2q. How? 5q minus 3q, that will be equal to 2q, as the r is equidistant from everywhere. So this will become q by value of r will be root 3a 2. So this will become 2 root 3 pi epsilon naught a. But here it is given 3 by 4 root 3. So only statement D is incorrect. Rest all the 3 statements A, B and C, A, B, C are correct. Statements, but D is not. Only statement D is wrong. Rest all the 3 are correct. So again, a very interesting question. I hope you got it and also enjoyed the discussion. When we have to find potential, see, and the distance is same, then simply you can add and subtract point charges with their sign. Positive charges will be added on and negative charge will be subtracted, like 5 minus 3q. Similarly, so I hope there is no issue. Again, a very interesting question, and you can solve it in hardly 30 seconds. Thank you.